Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and I've got a song by a band called Soulspell Metal Opera, which kind of almost describes what you're going to get, doesn't it, really? And it's a song called Dungeons and Dragons. So, again, Soulspell Metal Opera, Dungeons and Dragons. I haven't seen this, but I've got a fair idea what we're going to get. This was recommended though by someone called Elton Rodriguez. He's from Brazil, and so a Soulspell Metal Opera. I don't know if there's any connection between them, but you know, he recommended this. And I quite like sort of fantasy metal, and I'm guessing there that that's what we're going to get, but I think it's a fair guess, don't you? And the reason I went band at the beginning, I'm looking at the description underneath the YouTube video, and it seems to be like a coming together of all different artists to make this. So it's not a band as such, it's more like a super group where you've got different singers and different musicians from different bands, and they've all come together to make this. As far as I can tell, that's what's going on. Yeah. Let's give it a go and see what we get. I'm looking down the description under their YouTube. Definitely go and look at the original link for this, because there's a ton of information underneath it that I can't follow, but people playing different characters and all sorts of things. So, you know, we might be in for something like an Aryan kind of thing, which would make me very happy. I love Aryan. Except that I definitely cannot do Aryan because there are too many people involved who are famous, so the copyright stuff is just unbelievable. But anyway, this is Soulspell Metal Opera from Brazil, a song called Dungeons and Dragons. Get in. Oh, were they not? Oh, no. I thought I said orchestra. Sorry. Ignore me. Yep, that's kind of what I was expecting. Is he like the Brazilian Dio? By the way, I apologise if these people are famous in Brazil or anywhere else, because I don't recognise any of them, but he's got some serious metal pipes, hasn't he? And so is he. Wow. They can all sing. I'm stunned. This is far better than it should be.
And we fight against each other, just balls in a dark box. Oh, we deserve our fate.
Did I stop that too soon? No. It's a reprise. It's a reprise while they advertise stuff. How good was that? You know, if you like power metal, then you are used to people singing about anything, frankly. Anything at all. It could be about the Wishstones of Shannara, or the Dragon on the Hill, or whatever, you know. And so the fact that these people are singing about Dungeons and Dragons will not affect a power metal fan's view of it, which is a good thing, because if you discount a song just because you don't like the subject, you know, unless the subject's something terrible, then you're missing the point, because it's about music. I mean, all those singers had fantastic voices. Like I say, I can't name them because I don't know who they are, but and all the musicians just totally on point, and the whole thing together. And I mentioned actually before it started, you know, like I think I brought Arian up, didn't I? And that definitely reminded me of the more metal bits of Arian. Which trust me, that's a massive compliment from me, because I love Arian, absolutely love it. And if you don't know who Arian are, go and find out, because it's awesome, absolutely awesome. But I can't do a video of Arian because there are too many famous people involved, so the copyright just stops it from being allowed on YouTube. But yeah, Soulspell metal opera. You kind of know what you're getting from the name. But so what? Because when it's so good, who cares? The other thing it reminded me of a little bit was the Trans-Siberian Orchestra, who I've seen live and were great. Yeah. Thanks for that. What was your name again? Sorry? Elton Rodriguez. Yeah, thanks for that, because that's one of those bands that I would never ever have found on my own. So top notch. And I'm also, because I keep looking at my screen here, and that's because, let me just change the thing on the, I don't know if you can see it, on the top left, they've done a cover of We Got the Right by Halloween, and I love that song. So as soon as I finish this, I'm going to watch that. So yeah, In fact, I'm going to go do that now. So I'll see you in the next video if you come back, and if you want to subscribe and like and share this with other people, then that would be a good thing. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye bye.